Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit OneDrive document. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in OneDrive or I am right now in my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys to open OneDrive is to go to File Explorer, or if you don't find this right here, just go ahead and click on the Start menu, then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open, and then you're going to be right here. As you can see guys, here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery. Right here, you're going to find OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, and so on. So go ahead and click on OneDrive folder, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your files. If you right click on OneDrive, right here, you're going to find all of the options. Here, you're going to find the option to copy OneDrive, expand it, open in a new tab, open a new window, pin to quick access, pin to start, and so on. Here, you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and right here, you're going to find OneDrive. So go ahead and click on this one. And then here, you're going to find the option to view it online. Here, you can go to the settings, and here, you're going to find folder color. Go ahead and click on view online. And then you're going to be taken to this page. Basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the sections here in the left. Here you're going to find My Files, Recent, Photos, Shared, and lastly, your Recycle bin. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is go to your files. And then from here, as you can see, guys, if you click on these three dots, here you're going to find all of the options. Here you can share it. Here you can manage the access to this file. As you can see, guys, right here, as you can see, guys, you can delete it. You can move it to another location. Here you can copy it, rename it, create album from folder. And lastly, here you can see the details of the file. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.